as to what happens on the first day of the GTO first day. GTO has 2 days for its role, and in this 2 days he goes through a battery of 9 tasks. And when he goes through this battery of 9 tasks, which is spread over to 2 days, the first task is group discussion. So before he starts with the group discussion and he tells you about it, the normal customary with the GTO follows is he asks about your welfare. He says, how have you been accommodated? Are you comfortable? What did you have yesterday? Where did you go? And slept well? Then depending upon all that, then he will say, gentlemen, during these 2 days, our media of instruction will be English, which is commonly spoken language. Yes, अगर आपको बीच में कहीं समझ में नहीं आता है तो आप हिंदी में भी व्यक्त कर सकते हैं, पर जैसे ही it is comfortable for you to switch over, to return back to English, please do that. And this is what exactly he is going to tell you. That how you can speak in English and how you can change over, you can express yourself in Hindi and revert back to English. That is a common language which is understood by most of us. So gentlemen, when we have understood all this, then we start with the first task of the GTO 1 day, which is group discussion. Now in this group discussion, there will be 2 discussions given to you. In the first group discussion, he will give you 4 topics, out of which the group has to select any one of them. Once that has been selected and agreed by the complete group, the topic is thrown back to you for discussion for 20 minutes. Now this 20 minutes is not very fixed. It can be shorter than this and it can be more than 20 minutes, entirely depending upon the progress of your discussion and the acceptance by the GTO at that very moment. It cannot be set right, but however 20 minutes is laid out. Once this discussion is over, he gives you a break of 2-3 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. Thereafter he goes with the second topic. Now when he says, in the first group discussion, you have had your choice, now it is my choice. So he gives you a topic of his own liking. And that topic that he gives you of his own liking is entirely based on your performance in the first group discussion. Because that discussion levels out as to where the group stands. Based on that, he gives you that topic. Yes. If he finds the group is a very technical one and very high level, then he gives you a topic accordingly. But if he finds the group is comfortable, then he gives you a topic which is very comfortable to every one of you.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, you all have had your own choice. I will give you the topic of my own choice. This is my turn. For which, before I give you the topic, I would request 8 of you, which is the first group with me, to form a use. Place yourself accordingly. Change. So, gentlemen, the first topic, for ease of everyone, I'll write it down on the board
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
and I'll explain it also.
Yes, sir.
The topic for discussion is shrinking economy of India. In this, please go with a spatial specification of the falling level of GDP, what are the reasons leading to it, what are the measures adopted by the government, and what is the current situation. Topic clear?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Should we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
All yours.
Hello friends, first of all, let's discuss the causes of the falling.
The causes of first of all, the causes was the coronavirus which came to India in March.
Yes,
And due to the lockdown, due to the lockdown which was implemented in India,
many
first cause is
industries
this.
and factories and private companies are stopped.
Yes.
Yes, and gentlemen, I would like to also add that as gentlemen said that industries were shut down, and because of that almost 14 crores of people lost their jobs, and for most of them they were also salaried.
We have said that
Also shut down in the
you
lockdown.
are saying the first quarter of the
I would also
financial year
like to add a point that
2020.
after the lockdown, many laborers from the cities came back to their villages. And they had
Education system was also stopped about this coronavirus also. We have thought about the online education program as compared to the IMF reports also.
Yes.
Before coronavirus also, it was shrinking.
And right
Before
now, after
the-
coronavirus, as we see, and the second quarter, it was approximately 26 point.
As
As Chess number 20 said that before coronavirus also economy was shrinking. So first we should discuss the causes which were there before also coronavirus.
because it is-
so
it is a
it was
bad-
the lost in jobs and the government was unable to create the number of
Yes.
jobs promised at that
Yes,
time.
we have discussed
some
that.
policies
There is
also.
And the
also some
policies-
effects like high consumption rate and
Yes.
high inflation rate.
Yes.
But now the consumption is less. So what are the causes of it? We can discuss it.
Yes.
Apart from that, I want to introduce here the population here, because as you say, gentlemen, that government is not able to produce as much as such government jobs like jobs. So population is also one of the reason, because our population is
Gentlemen, I would like to add that as I said that population is also caused, but if population given the right education and right direction, they will be
Asset was the first thing that can be an asset to us if it is educated right.
Gentlemen, I would like also like
why
to
are
add
economy
the point.
shrinking? We should discuss it.
Yes,
So
yes.
the skills is the very important role. here.
Gentlemen, I
Because
would like
skills
to-
require that
In India,
ethical
there is no
values.
shortage of skills, and the government
I
should also
believe-
provide skill development.
And there-
okay, so
this
this
might
can
be
be
because
more
they
than
can
the
also
government
provide
also
many
this is happening.
opportunities, so
And
that
we
they
have
can-
said that in this
I would like to
coronavirus-
add a point to chess number 1, what chess number 11 said that ethical learning is also there.
Yes.
But we have to also follow 2 children policies because the population
Gentlemen,
grooming-
I would like to say that comes after we have dealt with the economic crisis.
Okay.
There are many reasons, and I would like to point out that one is the street vendors. Almost 10% of our GDP is from the small street vendors that have lost their employment or jobs because of the lockdown period.
And before this
that was
COVID-19
many
lockdown,
people live in slum. Why is it so? Because the rich are becoming richer and the poor are becoming poor. So we should have to tackle this problem.
And as we know that agriculture is also one of the biggest economic down.
The government is also working on decapitalization of the Indian economy, which is currently lying between the 2 or 3 families which rule the Indian economy. So government is also trying to
Friends, we all
decapitalize that
saw
economy.
that in the recent the quarterly GDP, that the only sector that was in positive was the agriculture.
Yes, gentlemen,
Yes,
I agree.
So
yes,
But
that
agriculture sector is only 16% of GDP completely.
And
But
that
that
is
is
because
service sector is 55%.
because of the banks were not sanctioning the loans to them. Because of that,
But-
agriculture
but
also
the major
got a
problem
though
here
it
is
was
the
a possibility
economy
that
also
it was
is
good, but
I
it
would
was
like to
it was decreased.
Basically,
And
agriculture, there is sufficient people who
I
are
would
working,
like
but
to agree.
manufacturing sector is not properly
I would like to
utilized.
agree.
And
yes,
What
like
I
you
said,
said,
that
ma'am, over figure chess number 34, I want to add a point that yes, recently Farm Bill has been also introduced to just give the
Yes,
expansion in the
Yes, and
agriculture
as we
sector.
know,
As we
before
know
the
that
lockdown and
I would like to point to our attention towards a point that to increase the second sector, which is apart from the farmers, our government has introduced Atmanirbhar Bharat because it is providing the
I agree with the
providing
gentleman.
stimulus.
And rightly said by the government India has introduced 1,74,000 crores package for the poor and needy, and also
Now, gentlemen, I want to put here the COVID-19 lockdown.
In this lockdown,
COVID-19 is the COVID-19 lockdown. We know about every salary is affected. For example, today the unemployment rate is also increasing.
I think Chester Kapoor has some good ideas, so he should give.
Okay, gentlemen, I want to put here the COVID-19 lockdown. Due to this COVID-19 lockdown, a very large major area are affected. For example, the unemployment rate in the financial year of 2021 and 2020, in the first quarter, the unemployment rate is also increased by 4%. And apart from that, the agriculture sectors are also hit by that.
Gentlemen,
Okay,
I
so
would
we
like
have
to
discussed many about
Now,
let's
coronavirus also it is shrinking. Why it is so? Because
Gentlemen, I would
consumers
like
don't
to-
have money in their pocket.
I would like to
And
give you a point
I would
that
like to
reduce
say that because
unemployment.
okay, I know that with coronavirus
And other reason is our country is your Indian currency.
And we are
Indian
dealing with
currency
it.
is
We have
and
many
rupee value.
The discussion started with a situation like fish market. And at that very juncture, if any one of you is able to divert the attention of the group and bring it on the line, is good. But it wasn't done, so I intervened and said, this is how you should go ahead. And the point was well conceived. You all went in with a healthy discussion, listening to each other.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
yes.
that is what is actually required, that you should be able to put your logic and put your views in a correct perspective, logically, and in the manner that other person is able to hear. You should appreciate.
Yes,
And here I would like to point out a point that it is not an argument. It is just the expressing of your ideas logically.
Yes, sir.
And in a manner that other person can understand. As far as I am concerned, this group has done very well. Keep it up. More of awareness will increase your knowledge as well as your ideas.
Yes,
Okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great.
अगर आपने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास में सबसे पहले पहुंचे।